everyone, we are Ivo, Mira, and me, Maya, living aboard our 38-foot catamaran Fata Morgana, sailing, exploring, and learning. Join our family aboard the legendary Fata Morgana for another epic adventure. Last time, we took you to Palmerston in the Cook Islands to meet the big Marsters family. After a few unforgettable days in Palmerston, we sailed west together with our new friends aboard the sailing yachts Ostrika and Aislado. It is 10 times, maybe even 20 times better sailing with friends than sailing all alone. We headed for Niue, some 400 nautical miles away. But before Niue, there is a place you can stop and drop anchor if the wind is not good and wait for better conditions. Or even if the wind is okay, you can still stop there just to check it out, as it is another beautiful and very strange place in the ocean. It's called Beveridge Reef.
Beveridge Reef, and look how we see it on the chart. So it's in the middle of nowhere. There is no land, no islands, it's just a reef. And you can enter through a cut and spend some time there at anchor. Okay, so we are inside Beveridge Reef. This is how it looks. There's no land, no island, just a reef with one cut, and it's not even on the charts. So the way to do it, you have to use some hand drawing and waypoints to enter. Okay, we are now in Beveridge Reef and it's really off the chart. As you see here, it shows that Aislado, sailing vessel Aislado, are on dry land. So we're giving them instructions, helping them to come into
How's that for a line?
Excellent.
Yeah, that's good. You were a bit starboard, still starboard from our line, so you can go a little bit more port, like two more port. So just watch your depth and go slowly.
Okay, copy that. Okay, going 6 port.
We arrived in Beveridge Reef in the afternoon on the second day, making sure we entered through the cut in daylight, which meant pushing with the engines the last couple of hours. Aislado came just a few minutes after sunset. We helped them navigate the pass by following our track on the AIS, which made it possible for them to enter the reef in the dark. Ostrika decided to wait outside the reef and entered in the next morning.
Hallelujah.
There's no smoking aboard Fata Morgana, so our guests are forced to go in the dinghy.
Except Will sitting on the transom ignoring the rules.
Will, he's an exception. He has connections. He brought some alcohol.
And I found out a long time ago what a woman can do to your soul.
This is Will. He is from Australia, but he lives in Palmerston now. He needed to go back to Australia for a few months, and Patrick gave him a lift to Tonga aboard Ostrika. It turned out Will had some awesome skills with the guitar, and thanks to him, the evenings we spent in Beveridge Reef together were never boring.
And I know you won't let me down, 'cause I'm already standing on the ground.
We're in the middle of nowhere in the Pacific Ocean. Only 3 boats are here. 3 boats. Fata Morgana with a bunch of Bulgarians on it. There is Aislado representing New Zealand and Bulgaria, which is incredible. And then we have Ostrika representing now Italy,
The Cook Islands.
Cook Islands, and
Switzerland and Bulgaria.
incredible! 3 boats with Bulgarians on them. Okay, Will just came. Will, you have to try this. It's called rakia. First, you have to say rakia. Drink it up. Yeah.
Drinkia, is that right?
Rakia.
Rakia.
Drinkia.
Drinkia.
Yes?
My dad just went back in the water, so it would be good if you came with the kayak.
Okay, I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Okay, goodbye. Now I need to rinse my legs so I got a bit flat.
My parents had fun with their new friends and I played with Zara.
Music to you. She's got the harmonies, eh? But it goes like this, the fourth, the fifth, the minor.
Zara's dad was in the water and my dad too, because the water in Beveridge Reef is so warm and clear, it's the perfect place to clean the hulls of the boat.
It's a burning thing, and it makes a fiery ring. Bound by wild desire.
Yes, I spent a lot of time in the water too in Beveridge Reef, snorkeling around the boat and on the Toll's Beveridge Reef and checking out a cool wreck.
To a burning ring of fire, I went down, 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 and the flames went higher, and it burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire. How does the next one go? Something like,
Beveridge Reef is just a reef in the middle of the ocean, a narrow circular ring of coral and rock with not a single island in 100 nautical miles radius. The reef is entirely underwater at high tide, and at low tide the tips of its upper rocks stick out of the water. In the middle there is a blue shallow lagoon with sandy bottom, which is an excellent anchorage, and there is only one pass on the west side to enter. The barrier reef protects the lagoon from the waves without stopping the wind, and even in storms, the lagoon can be a refuge for boats. It's also a great place for diving and snorkeling.
a burning ring of fire, I went down, 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 the flames went higher, and it burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire, the ring of fire. Definitely smoke time. My mother was a tailor, and she sewed my new blue jeans. My father was a gambling man, really, down in Beveridge Reef.
Hope you enjoyed our video. Please subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos we made. You can find us on Facebook, and if you decide to support us on Patreon, we will be very happy and extremely grateful. Special thanks to our patrons who are helping us continue this journey.
The only time he's satisfied is when he's on a drum. Oh, mother, tell your children not to do as I have done. That is the urchin. Spend your years in sin and misery in the house of the rising sun. There is a hatch on the port side of this boat. It contains some loud children, and it's been the ruin of many poor parents.
Well, that sounds
Empty,
perfect,
I'm thankful that I'm not one.
yeah.
Cheers.